Hello children, how are you all? Today, let's do our maths lesson, volume and capacity, part 2. Here, we are going to study about liters and milliliters. Children, first of all, let us see what is the meaning of volume and capacity. As I have shown in the jar, volume means the amount of space that the liquid or a fluid hold in a container. Capacity means amount of water or liquid a container can hold. Okay children, now let us see how we can measure the volume. To measure the volume, we use liters and milliliters. ml, that means milliliters. Milliliters are used to measure very small volumes or capacities in a container. The symbol we use to show the milliliter is simple M and simple L together. To measure a very large volumes or capacity in a container, we use liters. The symbol we use to show liters is simple L. Children, can you see two equal jugs holding same amount or same volume in them? In the first jug, I have poured 1000 milliliters and it shows 1000 milliliters equal to 1 liters. 1000 milliliters equal to 1 liter. Keep it in mind, 1000 milliliters equal to 1 liter. Okay children, now let's add liters and milliliters. I want to know the total amount or a volume of water contained in both jugs. In jug A, it hold volume of 1 liter and 400 milliliters. In the jug B, it contains 1 liter and 800 milliliters. Now let's add both these jugs and find the total amount or a total volume in both jugs. When you want to add, first you have to write liters and milliliters symbols. Under liter symbol, I have shown 1 liter and under milliliter symbol, I have shown 400 milliliters. And jug B, the volume I have mentioned in the sum as under liter, 1 liter and under milliliter, 800 milliliters. Now let's add. When you are going to add, first start with the milliliters side. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 again plus 0, 0. 4 plus 8, you get 12. So here under milliliters, you have got 1200 milliliters. So under milliliters, you can't keep thousands because when it comes to thousands, 1000 milliliters equal to liters. So when they ask liters or 1000, you have to give it to liters, right? So I have shown in the slides. So you have to carry that extra one under liters and take there and add all the liters now. So 1 liter you got from milliliter and with that one total liters are 3 liters. Keep it in mind, you can't keep thousands in milliliter side. when there are thousands, you have to take it to liters. You have to give it to liters, right? So add the liters then. Children, let's do these activities. Here you have to add given sums in liters and milliliters. First one, you have to add 2 liters and 350 milliliters to 2 liters and 200 milliliters. So you have to do this activity in your book and pause the video for a while. After that, we will check the answers. Answer for the first sum: 4 liter and 550 milliliters. Second sum: 6 liters and 740 milliliters. Third one: 6 liters and 150 milliliters. Fourth one: 4 liters and 745 milliliters. Fifth one: 9 liters and 788 milliliters. Children, now let's subtract liters and milliliters. Children, can you find jug A which contain 1 liter and 800 milliliters? From that jug, I am going to pour 250 milliliters of water into a glass. Now, I want to find the remaining amount or a remaining volume of water in the jug. To find the remaining amount, let's subtract. First, mention liters and then milliliters. From the total amount of 1 liter and 800 milliliters, subtract 250. You can see the sum on the screen. 1 liter under liter, 800 milliliters under milliliter. And from that one, subtract 250 milliliters. Let's subtract and see. Children, now let's subtract. First, you have to start with your right side, that means milliliters side. Right? From the milliliters side, start with your unit side. Right. First, you have 0, subtract from 0. Answer is 0. Then you have to subtract 5 from 0. You can't subtract 5 from 0. Then you have to ask from 8. When you get 1 from 8, it becomes 10. Subtract 5 from 10. You get the answer 5. Then at the 8, it's not 8 anymore. There remain only 7 because you have given 1 to the 0. So, right. You have to subtract 2 from 7. When you subtract 2 from 7, you get 5. Nothing has happened to liters. So, you have to write the liters same as 1. Children, now copy down these sums based on subtraction. Pause the video for a while and engage in activity, and after that we'll check the answers. First one, you have to subtract 3 liters and 350 milliliters from the 4 liters and 560 milliliters. You will get the answer 1 liter and 210 milliliters. Second one, you will get the answer 1 liter and 310 milliliters. Third one, you will get the answer 4 liter and 870 milliliters. Fourth one, you will get the answer 5 liters and 899 milliliters. Fifth one, answer is 3 liters and 19 milliliters. Sixth one, 3 liters and 203 milliliters. Children, let's write statement for our liters and milliliters sums. Look at the example given. Only use 7 liter and 560 milliliters of milk to make Faluda and 1 liter and 150 milliliters to make caramel pudding. What is the total quantity of milk she used? Right, first write liters and milliliters symbols. Then let's write our first statement. Amount of milk used to make Faluda equal 7 liters under liter and 560 milliliters under milliliter symbol. Then amount of milk she used to make pudding equal, show the addition mark, and then under that amount of milk used to make pudding 1 liter under the liter and 150 milliliters under the symbol of milliliters. Then the last statement, total amount of milk she used. Right, here children, let's add starting from milliliters and let's get the answer. Okay children, after we had added statement number 1 and statement number 2, we will get the answer. The total amount of milk she used is 8 liters and 710 milliliters. Children, today we have learned how to add and subtract liters and milliliters. I think it's enough for today. I hope you have learned something from my lesson. You can download the relevant student note from the Vidura College official website and complete all the exercises now. We will meet soon with another lesson. Until then, be safe and please keep on studying. Thank you children. Have a nice day.